What is up guys, my name is Talha and you're watching Gadget Sphere. Today I'm going to tell you the top 5 things that I like about the Samsung Galaxy M21. So let's go. Starting off with the number 1 thing is the display. Guys, this is a 6.4 inch Super AMOLED display. It looks stunning. Like viewing angles are amazing. Touch response is also very good. Like a lot of YouTubers don't talk about the touch response of the display, but believe me guys when I say the touch response is just amazing. I just love the overall display quality and it is very smooth. So yeah, the display is very smooth to operate also, so I just overall love the display. And the fact that I made it look like an iPhone XS, it also looks amazing. So yeah, of course I don't have an iPhone. If you're willing to donate me, then just do it. Just kidding. Then talking about the display, it is a Super AMOLED display. Because of that you can use dark mode, and dark mode will also save your battery, so it's a really very good feature and I think it should be in every other smartphone. Then let's talk about the second thing that I like about the smartphone, that is the cameras. Guys, especially the front camera is the second most loved thing that I like about the smartphone, is the second front camera. It is amazing, I just love it. The quality of videos and the photos it can take is like one of the best, I can say. Like I've been using the Moto 1 Action, it's good but it's not the best, so I just love this one. So let me show you some of the samples that I've taken with this camera. They are just mind blowing. So yeah, these are the samples that I've taken with this camera. Great sharpness, great details, outstanding color reproduction, and overall I just love the images. One thing I want to tell you guys, that it has HDR in the front camera. That is just amazing. Like HDR in the front camera is brilliant. So I just love it. Now let's talk about the third thing that I like about the smartphone, and that is of course the back cameras. Guys, they have 3 cameras in the back. One is a 48 megapixel main sensor, then we have a 16 megapixel ultra wide angle camera and a 5 megapixel depth sensor. And when I say they are amazing, it is really amazing. Like the quality of photos they take from the back cameras are also like one of my favorite photos. I just love it. So here are some samples that I've taken from the back camera, and see it for yourself how good they are. The number 4 thing and the 5th thing are pretty related, that is software. Guys, this smartphone runs One UI 2.0 with Android 10 out of the box, and it is amazing. Like the smoothness, it just looks outstanding. So I just overall love the smoothness of the software. It's pretty good. Samsung has provided this smartphone with a great software, and on top of that, the 5th and the last thing is the updates. Like guys, it's not a Chinese brand, and that is also a very big deal. Like nowadays a lot of people, Indians, are not going to buy Chinese smartphones. So if you are supporting that movement, you can buy this smartphone. It's Samsung, and Samsung is a brand of Korea, so it's not a Chinese brand, and that is just amazing. Hope you like this video. If you do, smash the like button, subscribe, and I will see you around.